Welcome to the Coding Interview series. Today, we are tackling a classic and challenging problem often asked in technical interviews, the egg drop problem. This puzzle combines intuition, binary search, and dynamic programming in a very interesting way. Let's define our constraints. You are given k eggs and a building with n floors. Your goal is to determine the highest floor, f, from which an egg can be dropped without breaking. We call this the critical floor. You need to find the minimum number of attempts required to find this floor in the absolute worst-case scenario. To understand the complexity, let's look at two extreme cases. Scenario A, you have only one egg. In this case, you must play it safe. You have to drop the egg from floor 1, then 2, and so on. This is a linear search taking n moves. Scenario B, you have infinite eggs. Now you can use binary search, cutting the search space in half each time, but in our problem, we have limited eggs. Why can't we just use standard binary search with limited eggs? Suppose you have 2 eggs and you drop one from floor 50. If it breaks, you have lost an egg and still need to check floors 1 to 49. But now you only have 1 egg left. As we saw in the previous slide, with 1 egg, you are forced to do a linear search, which is very inefficient. This suggests we need dynamic programming. Let's define a function solve e(f), which returns the minimum moves needed with e eggs and f floors. The base cases are simple. If you have 1 floor, you need 1 drop. If you have 1 egg, you need f drops. When we drop an egg from a specific floor x, 2 things can happen. 1, the egg breaks. We lose an egg and need to check the floors below x2, the egg survives. We keep our egg and need to check the floors above x. Since we want to guarantee a solution, we must consider the worst of these 2 outcomes, which is the maximum value. Here is the mathematical formula. For a given number of eggs and floors, we try dropping from every possible floor x for each x. We calculate the worst-case scenario. Our answer is the minimum of all these worst-case scenarios plus 1 for the current drop. The naive implementation of this is O of k times n squared. We can optimize this. Notice that the egg breaks function increases as we go up floors, while the egg safe function decreases. The optimal floor to drop from is where these 2 functions intersect. We can use binary search to find this intersection point, reducing our time complexity to O of k times n times log n. For the most optimal solution, we invert the question. Instead of asking min moves for n floors, we ask how many floors can we cover with m moves and k eggs. The relation becomes floors covered equals floors covered with 1 less egg if it breaks, plus floors covered with same eggs if it survives, plus the current floor. Here is a summary of the complexities. The recursive approach is exponential. The standard DP table is quadratic. The optimized DP with binary search is log linear. And finally, the inverted mathematical approach gives us the most efficient solution at O of k times log n time complexity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.